Alright, now I will start linear law and I'm going to introduce to you what we mean by convert all sorts of functions to a straight line. Okay? Now, you know that a straight line is y equals to mx plus c, right? This is the basic form of a linear function. Okay? What does m represent? What's coming? Gradient. What does c represent? Y-intercept. Now, if I'm going to plot star equals to m triangle plus c, what does it mean? Star equals to m triangle plus c. It means this is still the gradient, right? This is c, right? It's still the y-intercept. Now we no longer call it the y-intercept. We call it the what? Star-intercept. Can you see here? Okay, that means when I draw this graph, it's star against triangle. Alright? When I say star against triangle, star is the vertical, triangle is the horizontal. Okay? And when I'm able to draw a graph like that straight line, I can find gradient, which means I can determine what is m. Okay? And I can find c, whereby it cuts the y-axis or star axis. Then I can get the vertical intercept. We no longer call it the y-intercept. Now, the textbook don't use star and triangle. They use capital Y equals to m capital X plus c. Understand? Because we need to transform sometimes to see which is my m and which is my c, and to be able to find them out during our manipulation. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Okay? Alright, so if you're not comfortable with this, always use symbol. Star equals to m triangle plus c. This is the horizontal axis, this is the vertical axis. And we are able to determine m and c. And for linear law in A-Levels, right, the terrible thing is that the scale is not given to you in the question. And almost all the time. Only very rare they will give you the scale. You understand? Also, you got to choose the scale. Now, when you choose the scale, you must make sure that your first point and the last point cover at least half the graph paper. Okay? Don't choose a very huge scale that you're going to stick graph paper, and don't choose a very small scale that you only draw at one stick that you're not even read. Understand? Because there was one more we did that once upon a time. Okay? Alright, now. So, there are two types of questions that can come up from linear law. Number one, they give you all the information, they ask you to find the necessary unknowns. This one is good, because only graph paper. Second one, they give you a group of data, you're supposed to plot, find out the necessary unknown from the graph. This one is a bit difficult because some people the graph is a sheet. You understand what I'm talking about? No? So this one got to be careful. So only two types of questions. Everybody clear? And it's very easy to score, and I want you to go and get full marks for this chapter. Understand? Certain chapters I will not say those get full marks, like well, character, did I ever say we can get full marks for my books? But for faster fractions, I can say go and get full marks, right? Okay, so I know where you are, you must be in order to get C6. Clear? Okay, now let's start. Okay, our work now. Now I'm going to start with a very simple transformation. Let me how to transform it to a linear form. Okay? Now, if I have an equation, how do you look out? Y equals to x squared. If I were to plot this graph, right? Do you agree that it is a curve like that? And it's a minimum curve, correct? Now, what if I plot y against x squared? What will be my gradient? What will be my gradient? Now, y against x squared, that means I am taking this as my star. This one as my what? Triangle. What's my n? What's my gradient? 1, right? What's my y-intercept? 0. That means my graph will go like that, no? Correct. I have only transformed this curve to a straight line. You understand? Okay, let me just ask you again. Oh, look up. my gradient is a negative number. And this one will be my y square intercept. Understand? Now, when you plot, you must make sure your graph cut the vertical axis on the graph table, so I can see that. You cannot draw halfway then cut at the table, then cannot. You will not do wrong. Do you understand? Okay? So, let's take a look now at the various examples. Okay, let's look at example 1 on page 213. Let's look at example 1. Okay? All of you look at example 1. I'm going to teach you how to transform, okay? Express each of the following equations in the form capital Y equals to mx plus c, where x and y are functions of x, n, or y, and n and c are constants. State the value of n and of c. Okay, let's take a look at A. Now, you know what's the board now? If they give you this, it's very easy. What's my capital Y? It's my little y, right? What's my capital X? It should be what? It should be my x square, right? Correct. What is my gradient? N. 1. What's my y-intercept? 2. Can see it now? Very easy, right? So, okay, okay. Next one. Now, this one got problem. I must do something before I know what is my capital Y and what is my capital X. Am I right to say that? Okay, then all of you look at the board. I want to divide throughout my X. Can you see it? I can divide throughout my X. All of you look at it. Y over X equals to 2X minus 3. Correct? Yes or no? Now, I'm going to write something here, then you'll be able to see clearly. What is this? This is my capital Y, right? This is my capital X. So what's my Y? It's actually Y over X, right? What is my X? It is still X, right? What is my gradient? 2, right? What's my y-intercept? Negative 3. So how would I plot the graph? I will plot it as y over x against x, and then I will get a straight line. Do you understand? Now, sometimes in a particular situation, there are more than one way to convert it. Do you understand? It's not only one way, yeah? There can be more than one way. Everybody clear? Okay. Come to the next page. Okay, this is actually what we have told you. Alright? Now, look at part C. This is the one that I want to tell you what's wrong with it. Okay. Let's take a look at part C. I have this. I have this. There are a few ways to do it. Okay? There are a few ways to do it. Alright, I'm going to show you way number 1. And you're absolutely correct. You understand? Now, can you see that I can divide all by xy? Now, if I divide by xy, what will I have? 2 over y, right? If I divide by xy, what will I have? 3 over x. If I divide by xy, what is this? 1, right? Is everyone okay here? I'm talking to you. Are you okay here? Okay. Now, if I let 2 over y stays here, this will be negative 3 over x plus 1, right? Everybody okay? Now, you look this is 2 over y. If I were to times half on both sides, I will have this, right? So what will I have? 1 over y equals to negative 3 over 2x. Sorry. 3 over 2x plus half, okay? I'm talking to you. Yeah, now, I don't like this also. I'm going to write something else. Do you agree it's like that? Okay. So you tell me what must I plot to get a straight line? What is here?
1 over 1.
Yes, 1 over y. What is here?
1 over x.
1 over x. Then what's my gradient? Negative 3 over 2. What's my y-intercept? Half. This is one way to do it. Are we okay? Are we okay? Alright, now some people don't like that. And one more thing, this side is either y 1 over y or something. You don't have 2 over y or something. Understand? Not that the intercept will not that good. Understand? Okay? But usually this is not the way that I will do it. I will do it this way. So usually I'm not so terrible with, I don't want to divide by x. Right? I can divide by x, right? Do you agree I can divide by x? If I divide by x, what will happen? 2 plus 3y over x equals to what? Y, right? Now, oh, good, I can write this, right? Right. This is y equals to 3. Also can, right? But if it's like that, what do I plot? Y against what? Y over x. What's my gradient? 3. What's my y-intercept? Also can. That means there are actually quite a number of ways to do it. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? As long as you can recognize the y-intercept and the gradient. That's all. Okay? Now, last one. Let's take a look at the last one. Okay? Y root x equals to minus 2x plus 1 over root x. Okay. What do you think you want to do? I want to multiply by root x. Can I multiply by root x? Now all of you look up. If I multiply by root x, what will I get? Y what? Root x squared, which is what? Just x, right? If I multiply by root x. Correct? Then this will be what? 3 over 2, right? Correct. X and x half. Isn't it x 3 over 2? Can or cannot? Okay, then plus what? Plus 1, right? Because I multiply by root x now. Correct? Yes or no? So, can you tell me what do I plot? I'll plot yx, right? Against what? Against what? X 3 over 2, right? What's my gradient? Negative 2. What's my y-intercept? 1. Are you all clear? 10? Okay, so what's the moral of the story? You must be able to transform into star equals to M triangle plus C. Okay, which your textbook use as capital Y equals to M capital X plus C. Are you all clear? The Y and X you must determine. Can you see once I write like that, I can just see clearly what's my vertical axis and what's my horizontal axis. Everybody clear? Okay, so that will be your example 1. Okay, now next I'm going on to example 2. And now we'll look at example 2. Okay, let's take a look at what example 2. The variables x and y are related by the equation. The question tells you when y over x is plotted against root x. That means y over x plotted against root x, a straight line is obtained. Find the equation in the form y equals to mx plus c, where x and y are functions of x and or y, and m and c are constants. Okay, now all of you look up. You must make sure they only tell you the form. root x then minus 6, right? Correct. Yes or no? What's my capital Y? Can someone tell me? It's y over x. What's my capital X? It's root x, right? What's my gradient? Or what's my m? 5. What is my c? Negative 6. Agree, class? Yes or no, class? Okay, so you can see that I have already done it in this form. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay, now they work like this. Then the next part, let's look at part 2. What did they say? Sketch the graph of this line, indicating on the graph the x-intercept and the capital Y-intercept. What do you mean by that? Okay, all of you look up here. Look up here. Now, this one is actually capital Y equals to 5 capital X minus 6, right? You can see, gradient is what? Positive or negative? Positive. Cuts that way. Negative 6. That means I will have a line like this, right? Correct? It cuts at negative 6, and this is the straight line, right? Because it's a positive gradient. Then all of you see that. But let's look at the question again. Sketch the graph of this line, indicating on the graph the x-intercept and the capital Y-intercept. Now I already indicated this. But how do I indicate this? When what is 0? When this is 0, right? Agree, class? Alright, when this is 0, I will have what? 5x minus 6, right? So what is my capital X? What is it? 6 over 5, right? Which is a 1 point. 1.2, right? Or you can just put 1, you can just put 6 over 5. Which means this one will be a 6 over 5. Do you all agree? Can you see what I'm talking about here? This one will be a 6 over 5. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Can or cannot? Can, okay, good. Now, I'm moving on to example 3. Okay, I'm moving on to example 3. Okay, this one is the type that O-levels want to set, okay? I'm going to show you now. This point is 0, 8. And it's y, is it y squared or y cubed? Y squared. Okay, my mistake. So it's plotted y squared against x. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do this. Actually, it's quite simple, right? Now, the variables x and y are connected by the equation x over a plus y squared over b equals to 1, where a and b are constants. The diagram shows the straight line graph obtained by plotting y squared against x. The line intersects the vertical axis at the point 0, 8, and the gradient of the line is negative 2. That means you know that m is negative 2. Are we clear? Okay. The question is, find the value of a and of b. Now, can you see that in this particular question, I must get y squared as the star, right? And x as the triangle. You can see it. So let's take a look at this. Are we okay with this? Are we okay with this? Yes or no? Now, how would I get rid of the b? I will multiply by b to r, right? So I will get y squared equals to negative b over ax plus b, right? Am I right to say that? I'm talking to you. I will multiply by b to r. Now, why do I want to do that? Because this is my vertical axis, can you see? This is my horizontal axis. So what does this represent? This is my n, right? What is this? This is my c, right? Everybody okay? must be negative 2, right? Why? Because they tell you gradient is negative 2, correct? That means I will have b over a equals to 2. Now I know b is 8. 8 over a equals to 2. That means 2a is equals to 8, right? What is my a? 4. Can you see what I'm talking about? So you will get your a4 and b8 straight away. Are you clear with what I'm saying? Yes or no? Okay, so you see, once I know this is the vertical, this is the horizontal, this will be my M, this will be my C. And then I can compare and get the answer. Do you understand? So the important thing is to recognize what is my vertical axis and what is my horizontal axis. Are you clear with what I'm saying here? Yes or no? Okay, good. Last example. Example 4. Okay. Let's look at example 4 now.
Sorry, Miss Yap.
Yeah.
I return them things.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay. Last example. The variables x and y are related in such a way that when xy is plotted against y over x, a straight line is obtained. That means you must write down the info. Xy is plotted against x over y, a straight line will be obtained, right? So this is what you draw, understand? For yourself. Okay, so that you can see, alright? Now, a line is obtained. The line passes through the point A to negative 4. Now, 2, negative 4 is somewhere here, right? Correct. And where is the point B? 3 what? 3 and what? Negative 7. Now, I want to draw it another way because they are all at the negative side. X over y. So, I will have A, 2, negative 4, and B is what? 3, negative 7. Correct now? Yes or no? Draw a sketch. That means I am able to get a straight line that passes through these 2 points. Correct? Okay, now class. Diagram helps you in the solution. Understand? Don't ignore the diagram. Understand? Can or cannot? Okay, alright now. Then let's take a look. Form an equation in x and y and show that it reduces to this. Okay? Show that it reduces to this. Okay, now all of you look up. First of all, I'm going to find the gradient. Am I right? I'm going to find the gradient. Now, can you see I have this straight line, I can find the gradient. Alright. So what I sub in? Negative 4, negative 7, 2, and 3. 3 over negative 1. So the gradient is negative 3, right? Okay. Let me say gradient is negative 3. Okay. Now, I want everyone to look here. This is what we learned in E-Maths. All look up. I will have xy equals to negative 3 x over y plus c. This is my y-axis and this is my x-axis. Alright? Okay. Now, I know that it passes through one of the point, right? I can choose either 2, negative 4 or 3, negative 7. Am I right to say that? Okay, now which one you want? 2, negative 4? Okay, that means when this is negative 4, this is what? 2, right? I plug in 1 point. What am I going to find? C. Everybody okay? So, I will have negative 4 equals to negative 6 plus C, right? So, what's my C? C is what? Negative 4 plus 6. So, what's my C? C is 2, correct? Okay, now, if I can find that, right, that means x over y is negative 3, x over y plus 2, right? Can you see what I'm talking about? Can you see this is my vertical axis, this is my horizontal axis, gradient intersect. Can you see? Okay, now, but the question says, show that reduces to this form. So, what do you think I must do in order to get that form? I must times what? Y, right? Throughout, correct? If I times y, what do I get? Xy squared minus 3x plus 2y. Okay? correct? I'm going to do a rearrangement. This is 2y minus 3x. So can you see that I have shown? Can everybody understand that? Can everybody understand that? Yes or no? Okay, hold up. I'll say one more time. You must go and identify where is your big Y and your big X. Understand? Then you plug in, you'll be able to get the answer. Are you all clear with what I'm saying here? Yes, huh? Okay, now, part 2. Let's look at part 2. Okay? Find the values of Y when X is half. Okay, so you plug in here, right? And then you find out the value. Am I right to say that? Okay, so when X is half, I will get half Y squared, 2Y minus 3 over 2, right? I will have half Y squared minus 2Y plus 3 over 2 equals to 0. Now I multiply draw by 2, Y squared minus 4Y plus 3 equals to 0. Now can you see I use my this one? So I will have a Y minus 3, Y minus 1 equals to 0, Y equals to 3, or Y equals to 1. Can you see now? I'm just doing quadratic equation. Everybody clear? Last part. C is the point half. It's a point on a straight line. Find the value of X and Y that correspond to the point C. What do you mean by that? The question says C is the point half. Am I right to say that? And it passes through the line. Sorry, the line passes through this. This is a line. Sorry, this is a point on the line. If it's a point on the line, the coordinate must satisfy the equation. Am I right to say that? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay. So, what does it mean here? I will have this right. Can you see? I will have this right. X over Y. XY equals to half. And X over Y equals to half, right? Because it passes through that line. So, let us solve this. Number 1. XY is equals to half. Number 2. X is equal to what? Half Y, right? Can you see X is half Y? I think the Y over. So I sub in half Y squared is equal to half. Y squared is equal to 1, right? So what's my Y? What's my Y? Y is what? 1 or minus 1. This is plus minus 1, correct? Yes or no plus? Yes or no? Okay, so let us try again here. Okay. Y will be equals to 1 or Y equals to 1. Now, when Y is 1, okay, X will be half. When Y is negative 1, X will be negative half, right? Correct. Now we must see, okay, what is the coordinate of C? So what do you think will be the coordinates? It is either X half, Y1, or what? Or what? X minus half, Y minus 1. So what's the point of the story? C is either half 1 or C is what? Negative half, negative 1. Are we clear? Are we clear here? Okay, so look at the next page, page 218. They say hence X is half, Y is 1. Okay? Or X is negative half, Y is negative 1. Correspond to the point C. Are we okay here? Now, what is the moral of what I'm doing today? Today you must know star equals to M triangle plus C. What's that? M stands for what? Radian. What does C stand for? What is the stand? Star stands for what? Not white, the vertical variable, right? And this one? The horizontal variable. Are you all clear? Okay. Now I'm going to accept a whole because I'm worried that you might anyhow go and present your answer. Okay? Now, can you just do this for me in your notebook? Can you read?